Hey guys, if you are a chat lover, you can enjoy this Ragda recipe preparing at home. Come, let's start the process. For making this, I am taking around 250 grams of green and white peas. Add 2 glasses of water to wash this Ragda. Wash it well twice, like how I am showing here, and strain the water. Take the washed Ragda and add around 2 glasses of water. Let it soak it for 6 to 8 hours. Now let's boil the soaked peas in a cooker. As I have already added 2 glasses of water, now I am adding another glass of water into it. Add 1 tablespoon of salt and mix it well. Let it cook for 5 whistles. Now take out the cooked Ragda and see the consistency is perfect for the recipe now. Mash it slightly like how I am showing here and keep it aside for some time. Now it's time to spice it up. Take a kadai and add 3 tablespoons of oil into it. Add 1 tablespoon of jeera. Let it splutter. I'm adding around 1 big onion size of onion paste. Saute for 2 minutes. Add 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste. Saute for 2 minutes. Add around 2 medium sized tomato puree into it. Add 1 tablespoon of turmeric, 1 tablespoon of salt, 1 tablespoon of garam masala powder, 1 tablespoon of cumin powder and 1 tablespoon of chaat masala powder. Let it saute for 2 minutes. Now add another 2 tablespoons of chili powder into it. Saute until the oil separates. Now add the Ragda recipe. Mix it well. Add 1½ glass of water into it. Mix it thoroughly. Now close the lid and cook it for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, the consistency should be like this. It should be slightly in thick consistency. Now add the cilantro and mix it well. Now the Ragda recipe is ready. Take a bowl and take the Ragda into it. It's time to arrange with toppings now. Add onions, tomato, carrot, cilantro, save and cornflakes. That's it. Ragda masala chaat is ready to taste. Enjoy the Ragda masala chaat recipe. This is a very good mouth-watering chaat recipe. Thank you. Bye all.